I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with 2 safety steps. First, update Conda in the base environment so dependency resolution is reliable. Run Conda update nbase c defaults Conda. Once done, export your existing environment YAML, conda env export and myenv env. IML, this records exact package versions. Also, if you used pip, save a fallback, pip freeze requirements. txt. These steps let you recreate or compare environments, and they avoid losing work when you switch Python versions. Now you perform the version change by creating a new environment. Open env. IML and replace the Python line with the desired version, for example Python 3.10. Then run conda env create fenv. IML n myenv new to build a fresh environment with that Python. If Conda struggles with conflicts, switch to Conda Forge or use Mamba for faster, better resolution. This method keeps your old environment intact while reproducing packages compatible with the new interpreter. Finish by activating and validating the new environment. Conda activate myenv new, then run your test suite and launch notebooks to ensure kernels point to the new env. Once satisfied, remove the old environment. Conda env remove n myenv. If something goes wrong, package conflicts, or missing binaries, try rebuilding from a minimal env and reinstalling only essential packages, or use Mamba and Conda Forge. This recovery tip saves time versus forcing incompatible upgrades. You keep control and can revert fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.